Good morning, students. How are you? So, this is your English grammar book, and you can see the first page of your grammar book. And there are so many topics like sentences, phrases, and clauses, affirmative. You can see the list here given. You can read out from that. So, we will learn all topics. So, we are going to start from these topics. We will learn about the sentences. Okay, the first topic we will start today. So, this is the first topic from your grammar book, the sentences. Okay, what are sentences? Now, here is some information given about sentences. Defining a sentences. Okay, we need words to express what we have in mind so that others may understand us. Okay, you know this. Words are very important to make conversation, but words are not enough. Words have to be put in a certain order. Okay, means only words are not enough. They should be put in a proper order or a certain order. Okay, so that they make sense. Okay, such group of words put in a proper order to convey your message, or which makes a sense or a meaningful group of words is called as sentence. Okay, so for example, we will learn read these words. Group of words. Match, very exciting was it a. Okay, so this does not make any sense. Okay, you do want book this to read too. So this is not in a proper order. So this does not make any sense. We cannot get any meaning from that. Okay, but these groups do not make any sense. So now we will rewrite them as it was a very exciting match. Do you want to read this book? So now we will understand. So words must be put in a proper order. Okay, now they make complete sense. So, what are the things to notice? A sentence begins with a capital letter. The words in the sentence must be in their proper order. Okay. A sentence usually ends with a full stop or a mark of interrogation. Okay, interrogation or exclamatory mark or question mark. Okay, or full stop. The sentence ends here. Okay, and every sentence begins with a capital letter. So this you put in your mind, because punctuation is also very important. Okay, so we will do some exercise here. So you try to do the exercise here. The given groups of words are here, but they do not make any sense. So you rearrange the words to make meaningful sentences. Okay, so this is the work for you. You complete this and show me. Okay, this is your homework. So you do this as homework, and now these now next point is kinds of sentences. Okay, we must learn the kinds of sentences. So there are 5 kinds of sentences. Okay, so declarative or assertive sentences, these are also called as statements. Okay, they declare something or they tell something to us. Okay, second is imperative sentence. Okay, third is optative sentences. Okay, fourth is interrogative, and fifth is exclamatory. So these are types of sentences. Now we will learn about them. We will learn about in detail about them. Okay, a sentence that makes a statement or assertion means that tells us something. Okay, we get some information, or that sentence declares something, is called as assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Okay, so it tells us about facts, describes some things, or reports some events happening everywhere, anywhere. Okay, so in an affirmative way or negative way. Affirmative means positive or negative. These are means these two can be the subtypes of declarative sentences. Means affirmative or negative. Means, for example, the earth moves around the sun. This is affirmative. but prevention is better than cure. This is also affirmative. But don't laugh at the beggar, or she does not listen to my advice. So it is also negative. So you must you can understand that also. Uh, uh, no, not, never, nobody, and all these negative words make the sentences negative. Okay, if these words are in the sentence, we must understand that that sentence is negative sentence. Okay, so and the sentences end with a full stop. These assertive sentences end with full stop. Okay, second type is interrogative sentence. So interrogative sentences means questions. The sentence that asks a question is called as interrogative sentence. So examples are given here. What is your father? Okay. Why did you laugh at him? Do you like stories? Will you attend the class? These are interrogative, means they are asking some information. Okay, asking some question in it. There is a question in the sentence. So these are called as interrogative sentences, and we must give some information. Okay, we must answer, give the answer. Okay, so we put an a mark of interrogation at the end of interrogative sentences. Okay, so these are types of sentences, and all types we are going to see. The third type of sentences is imperative sentences, means commands. A sentence that expresses a request, an order, advice, or instruction is called as imperative sentences. Means it gives an instruction, a command, or advice. There is in this sentence. Okay. So there are some examples from this you can understand. Close the door. This is order. Okay. Please tell me the way to the airport. What is in the sentence? This is request. Okay. So work hard to pass. Okay, work hard to get good marks. So this is also this is instruction in the sentence. Do you do your homework regularly? So what is this? This is advice. So these types of sentences are imperative sentences. Okay, an imperative sentence also ends with a full stop. Exclamatory sentence, a sentence that expresses a strong or sudden feeling such as surprise, joy, anger, etc. All sudden feelings when we express directly, so they are called as exclamatory sentence. Like that, hurrah! We have won the match. So which feeling is expressed here? Joy. And there, alas, he is no more. So what is expressed? Sorrow is expressed here. Third, how intelligent the boy is. Surprise. Okay. What a beautiful flower. Wonder is there. So all these feelings are expressed. Sudden feelings are expressed in these sentences, and they are called as exclamatory sentences. They end with a mark of exclamation. Okay, exclamatory mark. So this is the exclamatory mark, okay. So fifth type of sentence is optative sentence. What is optative now? So a sentence that expresses a wish or prayer is called as an optative sentence. Okay, so may you live long, or may God help you. So this is a prayer or a wish expressed in the sentence. So that type of sentences are called as, so these are called as optative sentences. Okay, an optative sentence also ends with an exclamatory mark. Okay, so there is an exercise given here. This exercise also you have to solve, you have to do. Okay, mention the kind of each of the following sentences. There are so many sentences given here. 15 sentences are given in this exercise. So you have to identify the kind of the sentence. Means 5 kinds we have learned now. So you have to identify the kind of it. So try it and show me this homework. Okay. So uh, first exercise and this also you have to do. Okay. So